Hi, my name is Brian Lehr. I'm with Affinity Group. Today we are going to be showing you major cuts that they use in the kitchen. I'll be demonstrating most of these with a carrot. We have already cleaned the carrot and squared it off, so the scraps off of that carrot will always keep. We're going to use that for stocks or soup, so we do not waste product in the kitchen. So what I'll show you first is a medium dice. So a medium dice is going to be a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. So we'll get our 1/2 inch cut there, and we'll cut this into 1/2 inch strips. And then at this point, I can either do matchsticks or we can do a die. Right now we're gonna do a dice, so another 1/2 inch dice, and that is our diced carrot. This will be our 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch matchsticks. So if you're doing a crudité or you're doing another dish that needs that, you have that available to you. So next we'll do a brunoise, which is pretty much half of that. So that is gonna be a fine brunoise. So that's gonna be a 1/16. This brunoise is a little bigger than a julienne cut. If you're cooking something hot and fast on the stove, you need some carrot. This breaks down really quickly and you're able to use it immediately. So now we will make a batonette. And as you can kind of tell, this is all just the difference in thickness that we're cutting. So if you're going to dice it, you want strips, whatever you want, all of it's about thickness. So the batonette is gonna be basically a matchstick, but it's gonna be 2 to 3 inches long. I generally use my pointer finger as my measuring stick for a 3-inch long, so anything inside of that's gonna be your batonette. Your julienne is actually gonna be a little shorter. So 3/4 to half of the length of your finger. So 1 to 2 inches. And then that's gonna be the julienne, and that's gonna be your batonette. So properly cutting a bell pepper. So we're gonna cut the ends off. I also like to cut down the middle of the wide side because that is away from the rib. Now we're just gonna lay this open and cut out all of the white and then just start running through. Whatever thickness you want, the top and the bottom we're also gonna use. They won't be as nice and pretty straight, but they certainly taste good.